A very good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. President Emmerson Mnangagwa summoned the government officials and ministers to his precab farm, and he was showcasing various things. One of those was showcased. Look onto the video by Nick Mangwana. He said this bull at picture of the bull. If you take a look onto this picture, this is good quality. I don't know, guys. Kutipanyama yacho tinozomera sei, but this is a good bull, which a lot of people would want to actually have. So I have seen a lot of comments, a lot of people requesting or asking Mnangagwa kuti baba dai machizorora vanhu vatambura. It's better now that we have seen that you are a good farmer. Why can't you say panyaya dzeupresident vaMnangagwa hazvisi zvavo. When it comes to the issue of leading at the top, hazvisi zvavo. You need to focus on farming and doing other things. You know, old age again yakuvarova vakomana vacho, zvinhu zvacho vakuremerwa nazvo. And most importantly, you have to note kuti vana vaunenge uinavo sometimes they reflect who you are, or they reflect where you are going if you are a father. And I believe kuti vakomana, the boys, vari kutadza kutungamirira baba vaMnangagwa chaizvo in terms of where he should be going. Ndo vakomana vangadai vachita kuti zvinhu zvifambe, but ndo vari kutoita kuti zvinhu zvacho zvifoire wese. So this issue of power, these guys, they underestimate chinhu chinonzi power. Power is not about being in charge only, or being feared or whatever. Power is the ability to transform lives of those who have been struggling. You know, kuti titi mutungamiriri wenyika wabudirira wagona basa, you must ask yourself, how many people were poor when I got into power, and how many people are you must millionaires which were look akuna vanongori varakashi chete. Would hear people testifying kuti zvinhu zvakasiyana zvikanzi ichadyiwa painauguration yachamisa in 2025 August. Okay, this is mazwange ndava. Okay, zvikanzi joka okay, this bull was bought a few months back by a Zimbabwean farmer. It went viral, inspired by the president. Okay, Anzi, and you know it how? Well, the one I'm referring to is Boran Bull, bought for 8 million by Mr. Collins Tafirei. Okay, this one was bought for 8 million rands. Mr. Collins and says that one is still in SA, not this one. Okay. Is there an export to this so what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe? And Mnangagwa the minister